All right, now to the coronavirus, and Governor Whitmer holding a briefing today to update the state's response.
Discussed a wide range of issues, but tried her best to keep the focus on the push to pass her budget. Rod Maloney live with more on what the governor had to say. Rod?
Well, Gavin, here's the thing. The governor has $5.6 billion she wants for COVID response, her total overall budget. And there's a massive gulf between her and the legislature when it comes to how they want to dole out some of that federal money going to COVID. So the governor finds herself trying to steer public opinion in her direction.
So even if members of the legislature want to indulge in conspiracy theories or hurl insults, I remain ready. I remain ready to work together to deliver for the people of this state. My judgment will not get clouded by that noise.
The governor's trying to set a cooperative tone, but then had a Lansing physician slam the legislature for inaction and doing things on the cheap. Legislative leadership saying this afternoon they expect ongoing discussions, but no one's saying negotiations have started, and the House and Senate are $1 billion apart before they get to the governor's plan, which is $1 billion more. Meantime, the governor responded to a question about why Wayne and Macomb counties seem to be getting fewer vaccine doses than other counties.
I think is that there just simply are not enough vaccines to meet demand right now. Every state in the nation has that story, and every local municipality is confronting that as well. We're as eager to get more vaccines into Michigan as they are at the county level.
One of the big concerns worrying the governor's COVID team leader, Dr. Joni Caldoun, is that the variants are showing up here.
We currently have 157 cases of this variant identified across 12 counties in the state. We continue to move forward with a proactive public health response.
Now, the governor was also asked about the Michigan Restaurant Association and their plan to try and get their restaurants with larger capacity inside. They want to know if the governor had seen it and what she thought of it. She didn't really say she had much to think of it in terms of supporting it, because she said she's using science and data to try and make her decisions. But she also said that if the legislature comes through with the money, that gives us more vaccines and therefore thinks restaurants can get open quicker. Reporting live, Rod Maloney, Local 4.
All right, Rod.